Yo, well, quick question. I just want to know because I've been looking at my statistics. Like, do I need to make my videos longer or shorter? Let me know in the comments below. Cause like it said, like viewing about 7, 8 minutes. So should I make like 10-minute videos, 15-minute videos, or just stick to about 7, 8 minute videos? Just if you can if you guys can let me know in the script in the comments below, I'd gladly appreciate it. Come on, let's get to it.
If you wanna get ahead, sometimes you gotta go without, you feel me? You have to make a lot of sacrifices for this shit, man, you know what I'm saying?
Hey.
What you doing?
Nothing. Getting ready to go to work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say good morning, you two.
Good morning, you
Say welcome
two. Welcome
to
to
JJ's
JJ's
Cars
Cars
and
and
Advice.
Advice.
Say Jaria,
Jaya
J,
J
JJ.
JJ
So J and J.
J and J
And me, JJ. So that equals JJ's Cars and Advice. Let's get up and get the day started.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna be good?
Yeah.
Y'all gonna be good and act good today?
Nah.
Yeah, you probably not. But I'll get up and get the day started.
No.
Alrighty, give me a kiss. Mwah. Let's go.
We gotta open it.
Nope. Hey man, you know what it is? We're here at the office, trying to get some work done today. Thursdays, you know guys, usually it's like a slow day. Tuesday and Thursday is two of my slower days. Tuesday is, when I do my title work. But, Thursday, I've been slacking as you can see, a lot of car deals over here. Look at all those car deals. All those car deals that I gotta put in order. So I gotta put those car deals in order. So we gonna have to file those, and been slacking on that. Then I got this bag full of papers that I'm gonna have to take care of. Oh man, it's just gonna be a long Thursday. But good thing I got my Kindle right here. I'm trying to learn Spanish. Don't know how if I ever get fluent in it, but hey, I think I'll get pretty decent. And when you're in the car business, you got a lot of downtime. So I have to try to use my downtime to be more productive because I tend to procrastinate with a lot of stuff. So now I'm trying to use my downtime to be a lot more productive. So I get on my Kindle listening 30 minutes to an hour of Spanish a day. When I'm here just sitting chilling in my downtime, I try to look up rental property, try to look up stocks. Rental properties is so investment properties is so hard to find if you're not a realtor. So I need to get with somebody who's a realtor and maybe try to get my first investment property. But try to work on that. But for one thing I am going to try to work on is I'm speaking into existence right now. Next year, I'm gonna own my own lot, man. I'm gonna own it. I'm gonna be no more paying rent, cause so no more paying rent. I'm gonna move out of an apartment. I'm gonna move into a house. I'm speaking this all into existence. By the end of next year, by the end of 2021, I'm gonna keep speaking it into existence. I'm gonna own my own lot, so I'm not gonna be paying anybody's rent. If I'm gonna be paying any money, it's gonna be towards the owning the building, not just towards the rent. And because the person that I'm renting for right now, he doesn't want to sell. I mean, he wants to sell me the property, but he doesn't want to let me finance it. He wants to sell it to me outright cash, and he's asking like 100 and what do you say, like 110, 120,000, and yeah, this property is on the main street, and it's a lot of space back there, but it's not worth. I don't believe it's worth 120,000. I know you guys seen my building and stuff like that, and I know it's on the main street, and once I move out, I know he won't have no problem selling it. Somebody will come in and move in and make it what they want, but I can't see myself, going to get a loan for 120,000 for this place. I mean, I'm already been here going on 4 years, and all that money that I didn't spend paying rent, I could have been using that paying that towards owning the property. But you know, he don't want to rent to own. He don't no finance. He just like cash out. I mean, he's an older guy, so I kind of understand where he's coming from. You know, you know, he just wants his cash and he wants to be done with it. But yeah, but we about to go over here to my bank, Oklahoma Employees Credit Union. You know, if you're here locally, it's a pretty good bank to sign up with. I ain't gonna say it ain't the best, you know, but hey, you know, if you want to keep your overhead low, it's a good bank to start. You know, it's $5 to open up a checking account, $5 for a savings account, and $500 to open up a business account. So you can get your business account. That's the place where I got mine. $500 minimum. You know, so you know, most other places require you to either have like a merchant account or you got to have a certain amount of money. But this is a way that you can keep your overhead low. So if you know about a credit, I mean, if I was you, credit unions usually, you know, they don't offer as many benefits as a bank like Chase and Bank of America. But hey, if you're trying to just get your foot in the door and get it at the lowest, at least expensive, I would say check with your local credit union and see how much they're charged to open up a business account. They're usually a lot cheaper. But yeah, and I also, you know, went to Walmart, you know, had to get some supplies for the lot, you know. This has already been here, my little air tank, you know. But, you know, had to get some paper towels, had to get some tissue, big paper clips laying, got some paper clips, got some tacks. You know, gotta hang up all my customer photos. You know, a lot of customers that they gotta go up on the wall of fame. You know, so all those, that's like 50 customers. I gotta print out the rest, and then you know, you see, we're gonna finishing up the wall of fame. So I don't know where exactly I want to put it. I don't know if I'm gonna put it right there or put it right there, or who knows? I might just not even put it down, might just, you know, take it down and just force myself to grind harder, to force myself into, you know, working and getting that property. So I might just take it down and, you know, just take it down for the moment, you know, and just, you know, force myself to grind even harder so I can own my property or be at least paying towards owning the property next year. Because, you know, I'm tired of renting. Been renting too long. You know, I'm tired of the apartment life, so I need to, you know, my kids are getting bigger, so I need to move into a house, let them be able to run around and stuff like that. But yeah, you know, let's go around. Need to go stop and grab me something to eat. I don't know where I want to eat at, but probably wait till I get home. But yeah, I just wanted to sit down and chop it up with you guys today. This is just, you know, a typical Thursday for you. Nothing special. It's just me sitting here in the office, you know, getting paperwork. And you know, I gotta stop doing that, letting these deals pile up. I probably need to just start doing it like once a week, probably like every Thursday. Try to just get everything organized and focused. But you know, as you see, it's a ton of deals, probably over 20, probably over 40 deals that I haven't got filed away. So man, it's just business, man. It's just dead. And then living here in Oklahoma, man, it's just hot. Like, it gets hot early. It's like 10 in the morning and it's hot. It ain't just like regular hot. It's hot. Like that's just like hot Oklahoma. Like, it's so hot. You don't be wanting to do stuff. Like, I was supposed to go to the gym this morning, but it was like, man, it was already too hot. But I don't know, man. You know, you guys, we just gonna keep going, and we're gonna just finish up this video right here. Don't want it to drag on too late. It's just, you know, showing you. I don't really do much on Thursday. You know, Thursday is just a slow day for me. It's just, you know, Thursday is just cleaning up the office, filing paper. I'm gonna just train Thursday, just cleaning up the office, filing my paperwork. And you know, speaking it to an existence. We're gonna own a lot, or paying towards owning a lot next year. I'm gonna try to have my first rental property by the end of next year, and I'm gonna try to move into a house by next year. We got big goals, and I think I can reach them. But yeah, we're gonna keep grinding. And I appreciate you guys. I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is just sitting here talking and chit-chatting it up with you. You know, y'all have a good rest of the day. and I'll see you guys in the next video. And also, what I will be doing, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna go to Walmart, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I use to get vehicles clean, and show you my process to cleaning the whole vehicle up. I'm gonna show you guys that whole routine. So I'll let you guys know. But, yeah.